everybody here in AQE Foundations was roller skating around and around and around. You were having fun, you were laughing, enjoying the music. Toseme koro kokoa tatea, breathe. And then each of you chose a time, a moment to exit the skating rink. As you exited the skating rink, you left the entire building. But then I watched as you entered another building with another skating rink in it. As I leaned in, I could see that this was you allowing the past to be new. Toseme kere kokoa. So yes, you were still doing the same activity. Yes, the skating rinks looked quite similar. And yet, you were having a different experience with the past. Tiene korokokoa, ana asatoro. We think the past is static. We think the past is what it has always been. But that's not what you were doing. You were allowing the past to be different, and you were allowing you to be different with it.
So before we close, I want to share a funny space that I think, have a connection with, and we've talked about it before in the pods, maybe the grid. I think there's a lot of people out there that connect with it, though. So we both, correct me if I'm wrong, we loved roller skating when we were a teenager.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So the roller skating rink and the cool skates and the rhythmic skating to the cool songs of the 80s. So what I do sometimes, nobody knows this one yet. I haven't shared this one yet, but I've been doing this lately. It's so fun. So I imagine you and a few others that I feel probably really hold this alignment with us. They get this space, right? This makes sense to them, the roller skating rink and the roller skating to the music and so forth. So I picture us all together with like 5 or 6 of us in our cool speed skates at the cool skating rink, and they're playing like a really good song. I think it's called Freestyle maybe, or Egyptian Lover was another one I loved to skate to. And so we're in unison. You know how they skate around the corners. TikTok's great. You watch one skating video and you get a whole bunch in your algorithm. Yeah, you've got it, right? And so like I will sit on the couch and I will picture our group, and then I will play the song in my head, and then we're saying these different terms of Acasma flow and I trust myself, and we're leaning in, and I'm like remembering that kid. I'm remembering that kid, that girl that just did it because it was so fun. Yeah. And it just brought her so much joy. And I'm knowing that she's still here, but she's just got a lot more that she can do now because she's in a space of freedom for making her own choices and her own schedule and what she does with her passion. And I don't know how to put it. I'm just so in love with the memories of who I've been and the understanding of who I am and the possibility of what I am yet becoming. And I'm just so in love with it all. And I have those moments where I go back and I bring the now into that girl, that space of whatever I was doing, right? And I'm the now me there with that me. Do you ever do that? It's really a beautiful way to bring another level of love to yourself at another space of you, and then kind of like just slather that love all over that alignment of your life, But I love